Hi, it's Dr. Terry Levine here from Heartrepreneur, and I have been asked so many times, how did you create a very successful coaching and consulting business, right away? And it's one of the things I love to share because I take experienced professionals and I show them how to use their skills, their natural talents, and help them build their own profitable coaching and consulting business. I've got a step-by-step system and it works. Used it in my own business to get 30 clients in 30 days when I first started, done multi-million dollars a year ever since. And I was a former CEO of a healthcare company who switched careers, wanted work-life balance and a lot of freedom. And now I help others do the exact same thing. I've never regretted walking away from a job and making the shift to being my own business owner. And I love to help others launch their businesses and grow their businesses and have a system that's proven to work. And while they make more money and have more impact and influence, they're creating a business that gives them work-life balance. So instead of a position like I had, high output, multi-deadlines, a lot of stress, instead they've got time available for their family, their hobbies, their self-care, all of that. And I'm excited to share that with you because I really, really believe that most people could be very successful in consulting and coaching if they really knew what worked, because a lot of things being taught out there don't. So I want you to think about your own skills, your accomplishments, and how to actually make your business work. Now, one thing I will tell you is mindset matters. My girlfriend and I literally both quit our JOBs at the same time. We both went into being business coaches and consultants. I had 30 clients in 30 days. 4 months that after she was in the business, her mindset was, this is really hard. I'm not going to be able to do it. And she was out of business, had to get another JOB. I developed for myself my own habits and I learned how to have a growth mindset. Now, one of the things I can tell you is you can be a very lonely entrepreneur as a coach or consultant. However, one of the things that I like to do is take people and work with them together in a group. So I'm able to share strategies with them. They're able to do business together. The consultants and the coaches can complement each other's work. They can grow partnerships to gain exposure, grow their audience, and curate more clients. One of the things that you want to do is become a thought leader. Position yourself as a thought leader in your industry. That will get more visitors to your website. That will drive more social media, and it gives you a platform. And from that platform, you attract opportunities. So I created value, I educate in value and serve every single day. And I did position myself as a thought leader in the industry. And then I refined my services. In the beginning, I was like, sort of a jack of all trades. You wanted career consulting, I helped you. You wanted sales consulting, I helped you. And now I'm very, very dedicated to one thing. I stay in my zone of genius, which is helping other coaches and consultants create very successful businesses. As my business grew, I realized that I really wanted to make sure others in this industry were successful. I wanted to pass my knowledge forward. So some of the things that I did that made a huge difference to scale my business initially was using independent contractors, doing a lot of deliverables through them, having a project manager who would take the lead and really understand the role of managing our clients. And another was to have a high-level executive assistant, mine is virtual, who devotes time to my company. And another thing is to create a way to deliver my products and services that don't have my day-to-day involvement and yet make a huge impact on my client family members. Then when I was ready to fully scale, I just kept finding more and more efficiencies, ways to improve our our services, ways to increase revenue, and always just focusing on clients, clients, clients. One of the things I love is a challenge. So if you have a challenge, you're not finding enough, you don't know your niche, you're not finding enough prospects, the prospects aren't converting, you're not making high six figures. I teach you the no fluff, proven, guaranteed way to shorten the timeline. And if you're ready to take action, I actually help you launch your business and or just grow your business each step of the way. If that resonates with you, leave me a comment below. And let's make the comment something simple like yes or help, whatever you desire. And I will tell you how it works. Thanks for joining me here today. Again, Dr. Terry Levine from Heartrepreneur. Bye now.